Good afternoon. My name is Mitchell. Welcome to Softmarely Web Development Step-by-Step Interactive Learning Hands-on Experience Tutorial number 2. We are going to start writing our HTML. But before we start writing our website, it's very important to understand the structure of HTML. In short, it's very important to understand the actual structure of HTML, or the tags and the elements that are used to build the HTML. So to start with, it is very important to understand what an HTML is. An HTML basically is a standard markup language that is used to develop the website. And HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It describes the structure of the web page. Having understood that, obviously now you have an idea what an HTML is. For you to build a website, you need an HTML. And an HTML, it is used to structure the web page. You need to declare from your notepad that this is an HTML document that you are going to write. So the doc type is written at the beginning of the web page. The purpose of the doc type, it tells the browser that what is coming down is the HTML, or in short, it defines the document to be HTML. So the four elements that define the HTML are HTML itself, which is the root of the HTML page. Then we have got the head, which contains the information about the document. We have got the title element, which specifies the title of your HTML web page. Then we have got the body. The body contains the visible page content. The concept is similar to writing a document. Obviously, you know that the document must have a title. The document must have a main heading. And above all, you know that the body, which is in your case the main body, this is where you write all the information that you want to talk about the story. The same concept is similar when it comes to web development. Under the body tag, this is where you're going to write the content that you want. So the golden rule of HTML5 or W3C standard for web development is that every opening must have the closing. Now that we have understood the four standard elements of the HTML, which is HTML, head, title, and body, let's see how we can write the HTML, a basic HTML web page. As you can see, what you just need to do is you have to go into your notepad, then you have to declare your doc type HTML, which defines the document. It tells the browser that this is an HTML page, and then you start with HTML and the closing tag HTML. So the HTML, it contains or it encloses all the three tags, which is the head, title, and the body. So the HTML opening tag, HTML closing tag, head opening tag, head closing tag. A forward slash means closing tag. An element without a forward slash simply means the opening tag. Then we have got a title, open and close. Then we have got a body, open and close. That simply means that between the opening bold tag and the closing bold tag element, on between here, this is where you write all the information that you want the user to see. Having said that, now I believe we can proceed and go to our previous notepad that we had installed on our machine. So let's begin and write our first HTML page. To write our HTML page, as we have said already, we said that we have to start with a doc type, then HTML, like that. Then after that we have to say HTML opening tag, and then you can just press enter, and then you say HTML closing tag. The next stage is head tag, then closing head tag, and on between here we have to also put the title head tag, and then what title do you want for the website? We can say homepage, or you say home page. This then the next stage is to write your body tag, like that. Our first website. Alright, then after you have done this, the next stage that you have to do is to save this file, your notepad. You can create a folder, which is the best practice, where you're going to save your website. You can say web 1, and then you can say index.html. Now that we have written the HTML structure, and we have added our content, this is our first website. So this is the information that is going to be displayed on the website, and this is the content that the user, when they visit this web page, they are going to see. So now let's move on and let's see how this web page that we have designed is going to look like. So folder where we saved our the index.html web page, and then let's right click on it and then open with your preferred web browser. And notice that this is how you start writing your website using Notepad. It's that simple. As long as you follow these tutorials, you have no problem whatsoever to design your preferred website. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and stay blessed. Please don't forget to share this video so that you can help someone out there who would love to learn how to design the website. Stay safe.